Motivational moment number 99, act like a superhero. If you know that you have to do something that you're nervous about, like a difficult conversation, hosting a meeting, attending an interview, you can trick your brain into feeling more in control by consciously changing your body language. Recent research by Amy Cuddy, author of the brilliant book Presence, has proven that adopting a power stance, think of Superman, positively affects our biochemistry. Try it for yourself. Stand up tall and strong with your feet hip distance apart. Put your hands on your hips, tighten your stomach muscles and put your shoulders back. Push out your chest and lift up your chin. Take in some deep, long breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Hold that stance for a minimum of 2 minutes and you'll release a small amount of testosterone and cortisol. Ladies, not enough to give you a hairy chest. These hormones increase performance, making us feel more powerful. This technique is straightforward and works every single time. Use it anytime you need a boost of confidence or when you want to feel calm and in control.